Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to study English class 4 from our railway carriage. As we have studied this poem, today we are going to do its exercise. Let's start. It is page number 48. Answer the following questions. What are some of the things that can be seen from the train window? And the answer is bridges, horses, hedges, ditches, meadows, horses, cattle, hills, plains, rivers, painted stations, and tramp can be seen. This is the answer of question number 1, A. Question number B is, are the stations really whistling by? Its answer is, the train is whistling by, the station are standing still. Next question is, what does tramp mean? And its answer is, a tramp is a person who travels from place to place on foot in search of work. Next question is, what does brambles mean? And its answer is, brambles are prickly shrubs, especially blackberry shrubs. This is the answer of question number 4 or question number D. Question number 2 is, answer the questions about this line from the poem, lumping along with man and load. And the answer of these all 4 questions are, answer of A and B is, the word suggests that the road is full of holes, the cart is going fast, and the cart is full. This is the answer of A, question number A and B. Answer of question number C is, from a railway carriage. Answer of question number D is, the scenes are seen fleeting as the train speeds along the track.